Hi, welcome my friend. Samsung Electronics Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G factory unlocked Android cell phone, US Virgin smartphone, tablet 2-in-1 foldable dual screen, under display camera, 256 gigabyte storage, phantom black color. See more and do more with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 smartphone. It has the ultimate foldable screen, putting a workspace, theater, and game room right in your pocket. The sleek cover display unfolds to double the size, providing one expansive 7.6-inch edge-to-edge display that's like a tablet. Galaxy Z Fold 3 is water resistant and made with our strongest aluminum frame for enhanced protection. Compatible with S Pen Fold Edition and S Pen Pro only. Sold separately. Water resistant in up to 5 feet of fresh water for up to 30 minutes. Rinse residue dry after wet. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.